Experienced coach Connie Francis says she's thrilled to return as head coach of the Sunshine Girls for the second time. Francis, who guided the Sunshine Girls to the bronze medal at the World Championships in 2007 and a fifth-place finish in the Fast 5 World Series in 2016, while acting in an interim capacity, is hoping to bring back the respectability factor to the team after a disappointing 2019. Shoshana McGowan has been talking to the former national player.
Connie Francis is one of Jamaica's most successful coaches at the international level. So it was no surprise when Netball Jamaica named her as the new head coach earlier this week, replacing Marvet Anderson, whose contract was not renewed. However, she could have held a grudge after being overlooked in 2017 when she was asked to compete for the post with Englishwoman Jermaine Allison McCracken, a situation which left her embarrassed.
I felt really bad because, I know my worth, and I thought that Netball Jamaica has done me disservice in such a way. I would have even feel better if they say Sasha Gay Henry has done extremely well and you will go alongside her to trials. I feel better to go up there in minutes, honest, because I know their worth. Here you can, a stranger who has no history when it comes to netball at an international level. I really feel bad about it, so I feel that at the time it was best to just walk away and leave it.
But the experienced coach has gotten over that snub and is looking forward to rebuilding the team after a disappointing World Cup campaign earlier this year.
I'm a thinker of the game, and my players believe. That's the thing, that you have to be able to get the players on your side. And whatever you give them to do, they see it unravel in front of them. And that's the belief. I think that's the difference with me and probably some coaches. I will see exactly, I'll come up with tactical plays in order to counteract our opposition. And for most of the time, I can tell that it has worked, and I'm very happy about that.
After the team's fifth-place finish at the World's Tournament in July, assistant coach Winston Nevers revealed to the media that there was a lack of chemistry among some squad members. Francis says that type of attitude will not be accepted going forward for the benefit of the sport.
I believe that we should go back to the old days where our players play because it worked. I didn't like it. I thought that it was less netball and more bad media. And our players certainly have a part to play with that. For the good of netball, we all have to learn to put all of these little things behind and to move forward. I mean, we have 12 weeks to play the best in the world. So that is our primary focus, get that fighting 12 in order to lift netball. So it's not about the media anymore for me and with these players. It's about the focus of Jamaica netball.
Francis' first out of matches as head coach will be in January of next year, when the Sunshine Girls compete in the inaugural Netball Nations League in England. The Four Nations Invitational Tournament, which is set for January 19 to 26, will also involve world champions New Zealand and South Africa. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Trish. More netball now as St. Elizabeth Technical improved their chances of advancing to the second round of the Issa Rural Area Senior Competition after a 29-13 win over Black River. Meanwhile, Magotty carved out a 2016 win over Newell. Stets completed the double over Black River by winning their junior league game 27-13. Newell turned the table on Magotty, stopping them 31-10, while BB Cope beat Lacovia 13-5. In another game, Sydney Pagan were 21-6 winners over Louisville.